What's up? What's up? This is Juice back for another box break of 1819 Upper Deck Series 1 hockey. Going young gun hunting. This is box break 2 of 3. Let's get into it. Got our four rows here of packs. We're going for a Pettersson. I've gotten 2 Dallins so far out of 3 boxes, so that's pretty good, but I would like to get me a Pettersson. First one, Zuccarello, Brendan Carlo, Edler, Backstrom, and we got a PK Subban wearing a cowboy hat. UD canvas. Ranta, Wilson, and Blake Wheeler. That's pretty cool, that PK. I haven't seen that one yet. Dmitry Orlov, Braden Shen, Colton Parayko, Anze Kopitar, and a Hellenbuck Stonewalled. I kind of like the look of those. Boyle, Patty Kane. I got the clear cut of that card last time. Tatar. Justin Schultz. Hope he comes back healthy soon. I know he's got a broken leg. And Holla. Mikko Koivu. Connor McDavid. Oh, we got a Dennis Cholowski young gun. That's not too bad. It's not bad at all. David Backus. Torrey Krug. And Victor Rask. Frederick Anderson, Samuel Girard, Connor Hellenbuck, Mark Stone, and we got a Patty Kane UD canvas. Checklist, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, and former Penguin Matt Niskanen. Jordan Stahl, Ryan Johansson, Mitch Marner, Adam Henrique, Stonewalled of Jimmy Howard, Morgan Riley having a good year, Andrew Ladd, and Bob. Last pack of the row. Alexander Steen, Perrault, Timo Muir, having a great year. We got another young gun here. Travis Dermott. I have his canvas. Ben Bishop. Yeah, we'll call him Brady. Brendan Sod. And Mr. Atkins. Stammer. Riskalainen. Artem Asimov. 25 under 25, Matthew Tkachuk. Colin Miller. Zach Smith. Jean-Gabriel Pageau. And Yaskin. Buchnevich, Ben, Braden Point, Derek Brassard, UD Portraits of the Bread Man, Artemi Panarin, Jakob Slavin, Jaden Schwartz, and Jesse Pulovry. Ovi, Vantanen, we'll call him Sven. Got another young gun here. Another Red Wing, Rasmussen. Don't know much about him. Palmaville, Cam Talbot, Zibanejad, and the bank. So we got 3 out of our 6 young guns. Ryan McDonough, Craig Anderson, Pierre-Luc Dubois, Sean Monahan, 25 under 25, Hayden Fleury, Ryan Getzlav, Thomas Chabot, Brendan Gallagher. Martin Jones, Charlie McAvoy, second year. Here's one checklist. Hot rookie from last year, Brock Besser. Brendan Montour, UD Portraits. Nemeshnikov. Shane Gostenberg. Canton Heinen. Brodeen, Gino, Goudreau. We got another young gun here. We got a Seth Jones and Warren Fogle from Carolina. Tanner Pearson, who is now a Penguin. Leon Draisaitl and Ivan Provorov. Lathera. Let's see, Jack Eichel. Hubadar. UD Canvas of Frederick Anderson. Nathan McKinnon, great year this year. Raquel, Lars Eller, and Jurgensen. Two young gun to go. Hoping for a good one. Montour, Kalturas, Bjerkstad. Oh, we got a UD exclusives. Numbered to 100 of Jack Roslovic. And then we have a Henrik Lundqvist. Stonewall. Vasilevsky, Barzal, and Matheson. Johnson, Dvorak, Couture, and we have a clear cut of Alec Martinez. Pretty good looking card. Brinkat, second year card. Sam Bennett. John Croc. And Phaneuf. Can't get used to him in a Kings jersey. Pekka, Patrice Bergeron, Dustin Brown, and then we have another UD canvas of Alexander Barkov. So that is 4. We shouldn't have any more of those. Spurgeon, Hornquist, Matthias Ekholm, and Jonathan Drouin. Mike Smith, Travis Konechny, Clayton Keller, Jordan Eberle, and we have our first Yager years. Carl Soderberg, Cal O'Connor, Jason Demers. Last pack of the third row. Couturier, Pontus Agberg, Petrie, and we have a Shooting Stars of Jamie Benn, Vlasic, Osner, Applicator, former Penguin Trevor Daley. Parise, DeBrusque, Jordan Schmaltz, Nick Schmaltz, Carey Price, Stonewalled of Grant Fuhr, Chirchin, Okposo, Gundbranson. That's a good photo. Still got 2 young guns to go. Anders Lee, Fiala, Foligno, Yager years. That's our second one. Tyler Myers, Stephen Johns, Markstrom, and Bufflin. Backlund, Miles Wood, Anthony Mason. We have a young gun here. Another freaking flyer. Philip Honrick. I don't know. Tanger. Flower. Evander Kane. And Eric Stahl. I've gotten 3 freaking flyers this box. Last box, I got 3 freaking ducks. Varlamov, Strawman, Klingberg. You know this guy. Connor. TJ Brody. Spezza. Riley Sheehan. Michael DeZota. One young gun to go. Not feeling very optimistic about this one. Barecki, Braden Holtby, Zaitsev. And our last young gun is Morgan Klimchuk. I have no idea. Alex Kerfoot, Nick Leddy, Claude Giroux. I swear I've gotten a lot of flyers in this box too. Riley Smith, Alec Larson, Jimmy, and Casey Middlestat, UD Portrait, Connor Brown, Alex Tuck, Borowski, and Palat. Well, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for box 3 of 3. Later.